In this video, I'm going to show you how to install unknown apps in Samsung Galaxy A16. I will simply go on Google. I will simply download TikTok APK. As you can see, my APK file is installing. It will take some time. Now tap on your APK file. Go in settings. Allow the permission by tapping on this toggle to install the apps from unknown sources. Now tap on install. As you can see, TikTok is installed. By following this method, you can install any application from unknown sources in Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.